Hello. I was wondering, what is a skill that you think that you could improve on in order to be able to do your job better? My name is Seth Gamble, and I am a Management 110 student at the California State University, Fresno. And my lab time is at 1 p.m. on Thursdays. In the future, I hope to become a Young Life area director. I think the skill that I need to improve on the most in order to become an area director for Young Life is my communication. More specifically, I think there are two areas that I need to improve on in order to improve my communication. And those areas are active listening and expressiveness. Most people, whenever they are talking to someone, they they are really just listening to what they have to say in order to know how to respond. They aren't listening in order to understand the deepest meaning of what the communicator is trying to communicate with them. Therefore, it's very important to know how to be an active listener, to know what questions to ask, to know just exactly how to listen in order to understand everything that the communicator is trying to communicate with you. Also, expressiveness is very important, as most of what we say, a lot of it of our communication is nonverbal cues. Therefore, our expressions need to match what we're saying. That way, we aren't sending mixed signals. And also, expressions can help what we are trying to communicate have a greater impact and have a more powerful impact. I think there are many ways to improve active listening and expressiveness, but the way that I am choosing is to meet with a mentor of mine for 30 minutes to an hour and just have this be the focus. Have the focus be that I want to improve on my active listening and my expressiveness, and they can give me feedback on areas that I need to improve on and how to improve on them. I think that this will help in my communication because both of these are very important in communication. They are vital, and they aren't things that necessarily come naturally to me. But if I practice them over and over again with someone, I think that they will become more natural to me, and that I will see them take place in my everyday life, whether that's on the job or just talking with someone at Starbucks. I think I will see them flow more naturally from me. It is my goal in the next month or so to meet with my mentor, who is actually also my boss, and ask him if he would just meet with me every other week for 30 minutes to an hour with the purpose of improving my active listening and my expressiveness. If I do this, I think I will improve and that I will become a better communicator. I thank you very much for taking the time to listen to this, and I hope that you have a great day.